Let's have a practical illustration of how to use the amazing Enchanting Whimsical Cutters. You start with your porcelain paste, which must be of the right texture and consistency. You will find the perfect recipe to make yours enclosed in the pack. Now you proceed to roll out your porcelain paste as thin as possible. Emphasis on as thin as possible. In your pack of Enchanting Whimsical Cutters, you will find various designs that you can use to work on your customer's cake in such a way that they are mesmerized by your design. You may choose to use it to decorate your regular cake, and they are a beauty to behold on castle cakes. We'll be making use of this particular design in the pack for this illustration. Now all you need to do is press down firmly on your paste and the cutter cuts out neatly without much ado. Carefully separate the cutout pieces in such a way that you do not distort the shapes. This is absolutely important for you to attain a perfectly symmetrical look at the end of the day. Now, see what you have left of the paste that you started with. So once your cutouts are well cut out and separated, gently put them together and arrange them on a very flat, dry surface to dry out completely. This should take within a day or two. While arranging your pieces, ensure that you do not have any overlap whatsoever. Otherwise, this will give you distorted shapes when they're all dried out. And remember that it is very, very important that you roll your paste as thin as possible. This will enable the pieces to dry out faster, and it will also give an absolutely elegant look to your finished project at the end of the day. Remember that with the amazing, enchanting whimsical cutters, there is no end to the beauties that you can create with your cake. Once your pieces are well dried out, put them together and arrange them neatly, and let the magic begin. Now, this is where the transformation begins, where we're going to transform a simple cake to regal art. So all you need to do now is to start attaching your dried pieces onto your fondant covered cake. It is crucial to know, however, that the first step you take is absolutely important. So ensure that the first piece you attach onto your cake is as straight as possible. For this particular top to top kind of design, you do not need the base arrangement to be dry before you start to attach the upper part. Once the pieces are already properly attached, you can basically start and finish everything at a go. Now, just take a look at that awesome transformation. We're pairing this beauty with our metallic crackled fondant design from our fondant paste patterning techniques online course. Now, let's go on and view this regal art transformation in its entire splendor. Enchanting Whimsical Cutters, transforming your simple cakes to regal arts.